Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start first chapter of science, that is crop production and management. In this chapter we are going to study about crop plants, crop seasons, basic practices of crop production, followed by food from animals, that is animal husbandry. So let's start with the first topic of the chapter, that is agriculture. All living organisms need food to survive. Food is obtained from plants and animals. The branch of science that deals with growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Farmers grow plants in their fields. When plants of the same kind are grown in a field on a large scale, they are called crop. For example, crop of rice means that all the plants grown in a field are of rice. Crops can be classified in two ways. The first one is on the basis of the products obtained. So some examples are, the first one is cereal crops, or we can say grain crops. For example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, etc. Pulse or legume crops, for example, gram, pea, beans. Oilseed crops, that is mustard, groundnut, soybean. Fiber crops like cotton and jute. Root crops like sweet potato, carrot, etc. And tuber crops like potato. The second classification of crop is on the basis of the season in which they grow. That is also known as crop seasons. There are mainly two crop seasons in our country, Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi crops are grown in winter season, generally in October or November, and harvested by March or April. They are also called winter season crops. For example, wheat, gram, pea, potato, etc. Kharif season crops, they are all grown in the beginning of the rainy season, that is in June or July, and harvested by September or October. Therefore, they are called summer season crops. For example, rice, maize, groundnut, soybean, etc. To grow crops, farmer performs several activities over a period of time, like preparing the soil, sowing the seeds, watering the fields, and providing fertilizers, etc. All these activities are called agricultural practices. Thus, we can define agricultural practice as the various activities or tasks which a farmer performs to produce a good crop. The basic agricultural practices are soil preparation, that includes plowing, leveling, applying fertilizers and manures, selection and sowing of seeds, irrigation, weeding, crop protection, harvesting, and storage. A number of tools are required during the course of different agricultural practices. These tools are called implements. Plough, hoe, leveler, cultivator are some of the implements used by farmer to prepare the soil. Now we have to discuss all these agriculture practices one by one, that we will do from the next class. Thank you.